Hello my friends, I'm here with another brick building video today. We're going to be looking at these Make It Blocks bricks I have here. No real in-depth name, nothing on the labels to differentiate the sets besides the picture of the bird itself, but I'm calling them the Birds of North America because I recognize all these fellas. There was one more bird in the set, but it was very similar to another bird and it had less appealing colors, and I plan on taking these all apart and using these as part packs. So I'm very excited for this one. It looks like it has a lot of cool things. So I'm gonna actually start off with this fella, and I'm gonna save these ones for a little bit later. But let's dig into this and see what it's all about. I'm very excited for those wing pieces and the tail. Yeah, this is really cool. So let's get this guy open. Got to be careful there. And I gotta say, these Make It blocks, pretty great for $1.25. So, depending on what type of person you are, this is the worst part of the build or the best part, but this is part sorting time, so. I always like to kind of group them together by color, not by shape. I've seen some people grouping them all together by shape, so having all the 2x2 bricks together, all the 1x1s together, but I'd stick all the reds together, all the blues together. And yeah, that kills me right there, looking at that one flipper. That's just no good. But this is real neat. We got this one printed piece here. You can kind of see that looks like it's going to be the eye of the bird. So that's very fun. So let's snap this thing together here. Looks like we're starting out building the foundation. That's pretty cool. Have a little trouble with these instructions sometimes with the darker colors like this brown. Maybe I'm just getting old and I gotta lift it up to my face there to see the thing, but that's neat how that connects there. I never would have used those pieces together. So that's real funny. That's really interesting. I would not have done it like that. How it's inverting those. That's funny. How interesting. That's one thing I enjoy about doing builds, especially the stuff with they use these like Technic pens and things. Is they always end up doing it in a way that's different than I would have thought of how to do something. So it looks like we're starting on the bird now, so that's exciting. And this is interesting how it's doing everything sort of upside down. Oh, that's really clever. I like how it does that. That's interesting. Do you see them coming together? I can dig that. Yeah, I guess that's how it goes. That's weird how it kind of pokes up a little bit there. Man, I always groove on this track. Seems I missed a piece there, so where did I miss a piece? Oh, I think I was supposed to use 2 of these pegs, or 2 of these. Is that it? Yeah, I think that was it. Watch out. Man, that's a lot easier to clip on when the wings are off. That's why they have it on the instructions like that. There we go. Well, I am more excited for this as a parts pack than as a bird, but it does look real cool. I just having a damn hard time getting that all snapped in right. There we go. Pretty cool. I like them. Might take a little bit of work to balance it properly. There we go. I like that. That's pretty cool. Looks pretty decent. But again, I'm more excited for the parts. I want some of these browns here, and I have use for all of those reds, including those wings, which are great parts. But it's real cute. I might keep it on the shelf for a little bit. Who knows? Maybe I'll use one for parts and the other I'll go and buy another. It's only $1. But very fun, a lot of good parts. Had a good time building this. Definitely say I got my money's worth there, but I'll be back to build these two coming up here, and we'll line up all the birds together and rate them over what bird's the best. Hopefully by then I'll have figured this guy out so we don't keep falling over. But I'll see you soon.